So, how well does the Ryzen 5 1600 and RX 580 stack up in 2019? Well, let's find that out. But before we begin, I just want to let you know this is an 8GB variant of the 580, and also no overclocks were made, and all gameplay footage was recorded natively with this PC, so you can expect more FPS on your end when you do play. Anyways, here are the benchmarks. Hope you do enjoy. Alright guys, so the first game we have to test today is Grand Theft Auto 5 at basically the max settings, with a few exceptions. Like in the advanced graphics settings, all of that is off. As you can see, a majority of the time the frame rate is above 60 FPS unless there's a lot of action on screen, which then it usually dips around to the mid 50s, high 40s area. But that's still very playable, and in my opinion this is way better than the first Xbox One, definitely Xbox 360, PS3, all of that, and it competes well with Xbox One X and PS4 Pro, so that is very good. And well, you know, I like to see the those HD, you know, yeah, all of that in its HD glory. By that I mean the city, of course. What else would I mean? I mean, obviously. But guys, just look at that frame rate. It makes me just wanna. Up next, guys, we have Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Wow, it looks so beautiful in ultra settings, 1080p. Look at that frame rate. Look at that. Just look at that. I mean, wow. Look at the little kawaii donut in all of its HD glory. Wow, amazingness. But now, and guys, the next game is Fortnite. Yeah. The first game went a little something kind of like this. Just watch. It's I'm good, trust me, you know. Pro player and all that, obviously. Now, second game, I got myself a whole dab button, okay? So I can dab on those little kids. And also, my mouse, my left mouse button is broken, so here's a little clip. Just watch this, so you could just see how the struggle was. Like, it may be cringe to some people. And now we're going to dab on this llama and smack it. Yep. That's basically the Fortnite test. And then I you know, obviously test my bush skills. You know, they could use a little work. Obviously though, still a pro player and all that. You know what I mean? Pro player. Yeah. Watch this. See, this was all strategic. Okay? This death was a strategic death. I can't even speak, bro. Next, we have the one, the only Minecraft. That was really cringe. Well, anyways, what better way to test this game than with blowing up an entire village? But first, we're killing their iron golem. And then leaving all these people homeless. No, I honestly do think I did this village a favor. Because did you not see that chest? I'm pretty sure there was like a murderer. I saved him. Alright, here comes the grand finale. And yeah, say rip to frame rate. I don't even think the NASA's computer could handle Minecraft, okay? Like I said, this is the most intense testing we've done all day. It all comes down to this. If your computer can run Minecraft, it can run any game in the world. That was very cringe. Yeah, just whatever. Now we frame this little house right here. We throw the TNT, everything in here, and it's the perfect crime. We run away. No one will ever know it was us, ever, because obviously, you know, this is the only house still standing. So, perfect crime. You know what I'm saying? And guys, I even did a full playthrough. It took me hours. Nah, I'm joking. It only took me like a few minutes because, you know, obviously pro Minecraft veteran. Yeah, I got full diamond. I beat the Ender Dragon. Didn't even take me long. Definitely pro gamer right here. You know. You know me. Pro gamer at everything, alright? Especially Minecraft. Well guys, I do want to thank you so much for watching this very cringy video. But that's the point. It's supposed to be cringy. Not the fact that I'm just cringe. But if you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech content. Also head over to the banner, click the link to my other YouTube channel. It's gaming related, so just gaming stuff over there, and hopefully we can get some more tech reviews and all kinds of stuff on this channel, so that'll be amazing. But thank you for watching again, and goodbye.